Lalilani. Hi 326 Express. I am a man, Anima Kore 48. I have been married twice. Sadly, both of these marriages have ended because of adultery from the women that I've been with. Of all these marriages, Ndinelana 3, or so I thought. So sometime last year, my sister just started hinting off at the fact that I should do a DNA for my first 2 children, which I did. And I just found out both of them are wasiwangu. Jisineyo, I began to doubt the one with my last marriage. And Vedari, that child is not mine too. Nai imwe ya ipi inokonzeresa zvinhu zvakadai. The children are 17, 15, and 13. How could I be going through this? None of these are my children. I am depressed. I am very suicidal. I am in a relationship, and I do not trust this woman I am with now. Apa she is saying she is pregnant. Ndodi kuti ndibatsirwe Vedari. Imwe yetsvina here inonditevera, or I have some bad luck following me. Now what do I do with this girlfriend of mine? Would she allow me to do a DNA before baby is born? I'm so confused here. Ihot topic yet namhlanje.
0772-162-651. Let us know what do you think or what you make of today's hot topic. You can give us a phone call as well on the same number, 0772-162-651. What do you make of it, Saki?
Ooh, I would say I would love to think something is just more spiritual.
Spiritual?
Yeah, do you know how then we are always told that pane mnyama unokuterera, even when it comes to relationships where you're just meeting the wrong person after the wrong person after the wrong person. It can't be, once is a mistake, Erica, but twice it's questionable.
I beg to differ because I would like to be pragmatic about this as in practical.
All right.
If nothing changes, nothing changes. So if you keep dating the wrong people, it's because it's something that you are not changing. So the spiritual side is there, but
yeah.
If nothing changes, nothing changes. You need to just change the pattern.
So you're saying the problem is with the guy?
He's not changing something that he's doing. Garimbo is so much spirit side for once, guys. This, for me, it sounds like it. I mean, I've done the same thing. I've had to just change the kind of people I date to avoid certain problems. Because it's spirit of chi. Since you said it's spiritual. The spirit of chi.
I understand the spirit of chi, but it's just unexplainable, Erica. It can happen once. Kuti wasangane munari wrong, akuitira zvinhu zviri wrong. And then obva wasangane mumwe munhu. Obva ita futi the same thing that the first person did.
For the sake of this conversation, someone says Erica Ndukumbro, it's actually Saki, please can you one more time?
Okay. So this man, he is saying that he has been married twice.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, both of those times the relationships ended because of infidelity. And in those relationships, he has 3 children, or so he thought. And of those 3 children, from the first and second marriage, namwana wake. Yes, hapana chake. So now,
mm-hmm.
He's saying also the woman that wanga akufambidzana naye, who's the girlfriend after the marriages, is pregnant. So
mm-hmm.
So now he's thinking, should I then take this woman for a DNA before marriage?
Mm-hmm.
Before birth of the baby?
Mm-hmm.
And also he's asking Kuti, how is he so unfortunate when it comes to issue of bearing children?
Point not point andingafarire kuisa apa ndekuti akamboenda unocheka kuti iye wacho anokwanisa kuita vana here. Paternity, not a paternity test. The word is skipping me. But akatangira ikoko, ona kuti iye, can he have children? He might then not have these problems, because usikuda uzotesta munani numbo kuti mwana wako not hazina difference nangokamira still but zvekuti it's spiritual, in I'm out. I don't second that. I just think this guy is good at picking the same problem.
He has a certain attraction to women that
like to lie to him.
That like to have children for other men and just
they like to give him kids.
Give him kids that are not his.
They are kind women. They love evil much.
Someone agrees with you. Anzwa isangana never kadzira, nothing spiritual. Afternoon ladies, it's said for this guy, and very unfortunate. Before he goes DNA route, I would advise him to go for a medical checkup to prove that he's actually capable of getting someone pregnant. Tendai from Kwadzana. And hi girls, this guy and dear ane problem dating the wrong people. I think aneka desperation kanoita kuti anongodanana nemunu wese. And then another message here. Hey guys, I feel for this man. Very sorry my brother for what you're going through. I think my brother has fertility issues. So when these women realized he had a problem, opted to cheat and have children just to give him what he wanted, which were kids. So, I would also love to say in this hot topic, it also shows, maybe I don't know kuti makudziro ataka etoti, murume can never have issues when it comes to conceiving. I am thinking so. Also, I think like that. Maybe pane
vamwe varume vanokupa pressure. You start to date someone and one of the things they start to say is ndinoda vana saka unozoforce. Let's take a phone.